ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता। अर्जुन उवाच प्रकृतिं पुरुषं चैव क्षेत्रं क्षेत्रज्ञमेव च एतद् वेदितुमिच्छामि ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं च केशव।
Arjun said, O Keshava, I wish to understand what are Prakriti and Purusha, and what are Kshetra and Kshetrajna. I also wish to know what is true knowledge, and what is the goal of this knowledge.
श्रीभगवानुवाच इदं शरीरं कौन्तेय क्षेत्रमित्यभिधीयते एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तत्विदः।
Sri Bhagavan said, This body, Arjuna, is termed as the field, and he who knows it is called the knower of the field, by the sages discerning the truth about both.
क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां वित्ति सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानं यत्तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम।
Know myself to be the Kshetrajna in all the Kshetras, Arjuna, and it is the knowledge of the field and knower which I consider as true knowledge.
महाभूतान्यहङ्कारः बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च इन्द्रियाणि दशैकं च पञ्चचेन्द्रियगोचराः।
The five elements, the ego, the intellect, the unmanifest, the 10 organs of perception and action, the mind, and the 5 objects of sense.
इच्छा द्वेषः सुखं दुःखं सङ्गातश्चेतना धृतिः एतत् क्षेत्रं समासेन सविकारमुदाहृतम्।
Also, desire, aversion, pleasure, pain, the physical body, consciousness, firmness, thus is the Kshetra, with its evolutes briefly stated.
अमानित्वमदम्भित्वम् अहिंसा क्षान्तिरार्जवम् आचार्योपासनं शौचं स्थैर्यमात्मविनिग्रहः।
Absence of pride, freedom from hypocrisy, non-violence, forbearance, straightness of body, speech and mind, devout service of the preceptor, internal and external purity, steadfastness of mind and control of body, mind and the senses.
इन्द्रियार्थेषु वैराग्यम् अनहङ्कार एव च जन्म मृत्युजरा व्याधि दुःखदोषानुदर्शनम्।
Dispassion towards the objects of enjoyment of this world and the next, and also absence of egotism, pondering again and again on the pain and evils inherent in birth, death, old age and disease.
असक्तिरनभिष्वङ्गः पुत्रदारगृहादिषु नित्यं च समचित्तत्वम् इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु।
Absence of attachment and sense of oneness in respect of son, wife, home, etc., and constant equipoise of mind both in favorable and unfavorable circumstances.
मयि चानन्ययोगेन भक्तिरव्यभिचारिणी विविक्तदेशसेवित्वम् अरतिर्जनसंसदि।
Unflinching devotion to me through exclusive attachment, living in secluded and holy places, and finding no delight in the company of worldly people.
अध्यात्मज्ञाननित्यत्वम् तत्त्वज्ञानार्थदर्शनम् एतज्ज्ञानम् इति प्रोक्तम् अज्ञानं यदतोऽन्यथा।
Constancy in self-knowledge and seeing God as the object of true knowledge, All this is declared as knowledge, and what is other than this is called ignorance.
ज्ञेयं यत्तत् प्रवक्ष्यामि यज्ञात्वामृतमश्नुते अनादिमत्परं ब्रह्म न सत्तन्नासदुच्यते.
I shall speak to you at length about which ought to be known, and knowing which one attains supreme bliss. That supreme Brahman, who is the Lord of beginningless entities, is said to be neither Sat nor Asat.
बहिरन्तश्च भूतानाम् अचरं चरमेव च सूक्ष्मत्वात् तदविज्ञेयं दूरस्थं चान्तिके च तत्.
It exists without and within all beings and constitutes the animate and inanimate creation as well. And by reason of its subtlety, it is incomprehensible. It is close at hand and stands afar too.
उपद्रष्टानुमन्ता च भर्ता भोक्ता महेश्वरः परमात्मेति चाप्युक्तः देहेऽस्मिन् पुरुषः परः.
The spirit dwelling in this body is really the same as the Supreme. He has been spoken of as the witness, the true guide, and the sustainer of all, the experiencer, the overlord, and the absolute as well.
ध्यानेनात्मनि पश्यन्ति केचिदात्मानमात्मना अन्ये साङ्ख्येन योगेन कर्मयोगेन चापरे.
Some, by meditation, behold the Supreme Spirit in the heart with the help of their refined and sharp intellect. Others realize it through the discipline of knowledge, and still others through the discipline of action, that is Karma Yoga.
समं सर्वेषु भूतेषु तिष्ठन्तं परमेश्वरं विनश्यत्स्व विनश्यन्तं यपश्यति स पश्यति.
He alone truly sees who sees the Supreme Lord as imperishable and abiding equally in all perishable beings, both animate and inanimate.
यदा भूतपृथक् भावम् एकस्तमनुपश्यति तत एव च विस्तारं ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते तदा.
The moment man perceives the diversified existence of beings as rooted in the one Supreme Spirit and the spreading forth of all beings from the same, that very moment he attains Brahman.